In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sound effects tool on the ElevenLabs website. This tool is a fantastic way to create custom sound effects for your projects, whether you're working on a video, podcast, or any other creative endeavor. Let's dive in and explore how you can generate sounds that are just right for your needs. First, let's get started by accessing the sound effects tool. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the ElevenLabs website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to take a moment to sign up. It's usually a straightforward process. After logging in, navigate to the main menu or dashboard. Here, you'll spot the Sound Effects tab. Go ahead and click on it to enter the sound effects generator. Now, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface where you can describe and generate your desired sound. In the text box provided, type a clear and concise description of the sound you're looking to create. Maybe you want the sound of a dog barking, the soothing patter of rain on a window, or perhaps the familiar clicks of keyboard typing. Be as specific as possible to help the tool generate the most accurate sound for you. If your project requires a sound to play continuously in the background, enable the ambient loop feature. This is particularly useful for creating atmosphere and ambiance in your content. You'll also have the chance to adjust the duration of the sound. You can set it to your preferred length, up to 30 seconds. If you're unsure, you can also leave the settings on auto, allowing the AI to choose a suitable length for you. Once everything is set, hit generate. This command prompts the AI to create several variations of your desired sound effect. With the sound options now generated, it's time to review them. Take a moment to listen to each sound by clicking the play button next to the options provided. This step is crucial as it allows you to select the sound that best matches your vision. When you find one you're satisfied with, click the download icon to save it to your computer. This way, it'll be ready for you to integrate into your creative project. If the generated sounds aren't quite what you were hoping for, don't worry. You can go back and make adjustments by modifying your initial description or tweaking the settings. Then simply regenerate the sounds until you find the perfect match. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to create custom sound effects with ElevenLabs. I hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to add a whole new dimension of sound to your creative works. Thanks for watching and happy creating.